You can always track how many users interacted with certain chatbots and how. On the main page of the chatbots section, you can find the necessary information on your chatbots on all channels. The total number of subscribers in your chatbot's audience. The total number of subscribers with the subscribed and new user statuses. The number of new users who subscribed on the current day. It is displayed according to the time zone set in your general account settings. The number of users who have interacted with your chatbot. A session lasts for 24 hours from the moment a user first sends a message. The total number of messages sent to users. You can also view your chatbot's performance statistics for a selected period on a graph. To do this, select your chatbot and go to the Statistics tab. Afterward, you need to select a period and click Apply. Select an indicator for your graph. Subscribers acquired during this period. Here you can see the number of your new subscribers for a selected period. You can also find the number of your active subscribers for the whole period of your chatbot's work below. Messages sent during this period. Here you can see the number of messages sent during a selected period. You can also find the number of messages sent during your chatbot's work below. Messages received during this period. Here you can see the number of incoming messages for a selected period. The number of incoming messages for the entire period of your chatbot's work is also displayed below. Cost, an additional metric, is also available in WhatsApp chatbot statistics. It shows the amount of money spent on template messages. Costs spent on the current day are also displayed below. The number of sessions during this period. Here you can see the number of users who interacted with your chatbot, clicked on buttons in messages, sent messages, and started or continued a flow. You can view detailed session statistics on your WhatsApp chatbot that shows the total number of sessions started, the number of sessions started after following an ad link, and the number of sessions initiated by users or business.